Welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use email marketing and affiliate marketing to combine them to build an affiliate marketing business. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about what affiliate marketing is, what email marketing is, and how to start your list building. Why? Because you will need a list in order to have people to whom you can promote your products, right? So right now in this lecture, we are going to discuss about where to find the best offers to promote. And as we have discussed in the previous lectures, we are going to use digital products. Okay, we are going to focus on digital products. Why? Because they have higher commissions and they are easier to promote, because most of them have better let's say sales angles than physical products. Okay, which are more let's say physical products are pretty much the same or very similar. With digital products, you will find it's easy for vendors to do something unique for them for all of their products. Okay, so that's why it's easier to sell them. Now here are a couple of the platforms where you are going to find the best digital products, in our opinion, that you can promote and earn commissions from. Okay, and in order to find these products, we are going to go on a couple of affiliate networks. Now, the largest or the biggest digital products affiliate network in the world is ClickBank. And this platform is focused on general topics like health and fitness. For example, one of the best niches for affiliate marketing and digital products is weight loss, okay, personal development, relationships, marketing, make money online. Okay, these are like the 5 top niches where you want to promote digital products. Okay, any of these niches are very, very good. And on ClickBank, you will find a lot of good products in the health and wellness niche, in the personal development niche. Okay, you'll also find make money online products, but I think ClickBank is the best to focus on products from health, dieting, personal development, relationships, and so on. Okay, so these are the best niches. Now let's have a look inside ClickBank. So this is ClickBank. This is the platform, and if we are going to scroll down, you are going to see a couple of featured products. Okay, and here we have categories: art and entertainment. And for example, the Revelation Effect, Hitty Harp and Guitar, Film Finance Guide, Secrets of Figure Drawing, okay, Guitar Lessons, Adult Guitar Lessons. And if we are going to click on this product, okay, we can see that we can buy it right now, $47, right? So we have different types of products. This is just an idea for you guys to see exactly what people are selling here. Pole dancing moves, so any type of products, okay, you will find here. See how many categories they have: art, body art, dance, fashion, TV. Okay, a lot of categories, and most of them are digital products. Online courses, ebooks, you name it. Email courses through emails, series, audio courses, and so on, right? So ClickBank is one of the best places to go. Another place where you can go is warriorplus.com. okay, Warrior Plus, it's an affiliate network dedicated to let's say to the make money online space and the online marketing niche. It's a very popular platform. It has a lot of features. Let's just click here to have a look inside the dashboard, and you'll see here how the menu looks like. We are actually logged in inside the dashboard, and if we are going in the affiliate section, this is how your account will look on the inside, and we can check out the offers here. We are going to scroll down, and we can see that we have some filters here. Pulse score, that means how many affiliates are actually promoting that offer at the moment. This is a very good indicator, right? The pulse score, this is what you have to look for. These are the most profitable and most promoted offers at a specific time. But on this platform, we wouldn't go after the pulse score, but we would go for something else, right? By category, show stats, and we would go by launch date, okay, to see which are the newest products. Launch social videos, established eBay affiliates for sales, or you can do by number of sales, for example. This is another filter that we would go for. Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds. 0-hour work days, Brandon Mace, 25,000. Whoa, that's incredible. 25,000 sales. Just think about it. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. 12% conversion rate. 500 CPA every day, 12% conversion rate. And you can see that most of them are farther behind. Okay, Thumbnail Blaster, 29. Aurora, Stilft. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see which are the offers who have the most sales. So this is how you find good offers to promote. Again, these are most of them are marketing or make money online related offers, right? And the other platform that we wanted to show you is jvizu.com. This is the one, jvizu.com. Okay, and jvizu, it's very similar to the other one, to Warrior Plus. It's more for the make money online niche and marketing niche, but if on Warrior, most people sell courses, okay, online courses or softwares combined with trainings and stuff like that related to make money online. Well, then on jvizu, the difference between the two of them is that jvizu looks a little bit more professional, and most of people who use this platform as vendors, they sell software, especially SaaS or service as a software. Okay, again, very lucrative niche because it's in the marketing and make money online niche, and you can promote very nice and good softwares here and earn very good commissions. And just to have a look at the marketplace, okay, jvizu Market, we can see a couple of the products. Sendio, video profit site, complete WordPress plugin that uses the power of already proven successful videos, audience toolkit, the social blade, lots of products here. Voice body, okay, internet marketing newsletter, PLR monthly membership, okay, top pick. So you have a lot of options. So this is how the marketplace looks like. You can have a look at this type of products. Again, most of them are softwares or courses combined with softwares, like on Warrior Plus. So the platforms are similar, but here on jvizu you'll find more softwares, and they are more oriented or related to the marketing part than to the make money online part. Okay, so this is the other platform. These are the three main platforms that we recommend to you to find good offers to promote, good digital products to promote. Most of them have commissions of about 50%, some of them even 75%, up to 75%, so you can earn very good money out of these offers. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture.